Did you know there is a type of ice that doesn't melt into water? Instead, it disappears directly into gas. This mysterious substance is called dry ice, and it plays an important role in science, medicine, food transport, and even movie special effects. When we think of ice, we usually imagine frozen water or snow on mountains. But there is another fascinating type of ice known as dry ice. Unlike ordinary ice, dry ice is not made from water. It is actually solid carbon dioxide. Normally, carbon dioxide exists as a gas in atmosphere. But when carbon dioxide is exposed to a very high pressure and low temperature, it changes into a solid form called dry ice. Dry ice is extremely cold with a temperature of about minus 78.5 degrees Celsius. One of its most unique property is that it does not melt into liquid water. Instead, it changes directly from solid to gas through a process called sublimation. That is why dry ice does not leave any water behind when it disappears. Dry ice is much colder and denser than ordinary ice. It usually appears as white blocks or small pellets. Because of its extremely low temperature, touching dry ice directly can cause severe cold burns or frostbite. That is why it should always be handled with gloves or protective tools. Dry ice is widely used for transporting frozen foods such as meat, seafood, and ice cream. Since it sublimates directly into gas, it keeps product cold without creating liquid water that could spoil packaging. Modern food industries use dry ice in shipping system to maintain freshness during long distance transportation. Dry ice has become extremely important in medicine and scientific research. Hospitals and laboratories use it for preserving blood samples, medicines, organs, and biological specimens. During recent vaccine distribution program, dry ice was widely used to maintain ultra-cold temperatures for temperature-sensitive vaccines. Scientists also use dry ice in experiments requiring extremely low temperature. Research in cryogenics continue to expand its scientific importance. Modern industries now use dry ice blasting technology to clean machines and industrial equipment. In this method, dry ice pellets are blasted at high speed to remove dirt, grease, paints, and contaminants. Unlike chemical cleaners, dry ice leaves almost no residue because it quickly turns into gas. Scientists are also developing environmentally friendly cooling system using carbon dioxide based refrigeration technology to reduce harmful environmental effect caused by older refrigerants. Dry ice is also famous in movies, concerts, and theaters. When placed in warm water, it produces thick white fog that creates dramatic special effects. This fog effect is widely used in stage performances and entertainment productions. So dry ice is far more than just frozen carbon dioxide. It is important material used in science, medicine, transportation, industry, and entertainment. And with modern research and technology, its application continue to grow every year. Subscribe for more amazing science and technology videos.